By the way, the collab that I planned with Nabi has been postponed a little bit more. It will happen within this month, but kind of at the end of the month. Yeah. Nabi Mama also told me that she has time for me every day, but she also told me she wants to maybe introduce me to Meru's Mama. Meru's Mama is also in Korea, it seems. Yeah, Ayami Mama. Guys, why not? Why not? Make connections with all those mummies! Mommy! I will build a mummy harem. Happy birthday, money for birthday cake. Thank you. I did get myself some like really small cake from the supermarket, just like a piece for the birthday celebration, and I was trying to eat it during the concert while watching, but my eyes were so focused on the screen I could barely take a bite. I did end up finishing it though, of course. But I saw I think a Japanese fan ordered a cake, full cake, with a writing on it, "Happy birthday Takanashi Kiara," and they ate it themselves. But like, it's ironic, I think, that I'm just getting myself a slice from the supermarket while they're getting themselves a huge cake for that. Yeah. Damn! Give me a piece, yo! そうだね。なんかね、いいケーキ用意してて羨ましいな。ちっちゃいの買ったんだけど、うちちっちゃいのスーパーマーケットのまあまあまあまあまあまあ